AWS NAT gateways are necessary for enabling private subnet connectivity, but they come with a hidden cost. Even when they're idle, NAT gateways incur charges, and as traffic scales, those costs can spiral out of control. That's why identifying overutilized or underutilized NAT gateways is crucial for optimizing your cloud spend. So let's jump into the Kentik platform and see how you can understand NAT gateway traffic and pinpoint unnecessary NAT gateway costs. Okay, I'm in Data Explorer where I can build a query to evaluate my NAT gateway usage. So first, I'm going to select AWS from my data sources. And then from dimensions, I'm going to select AWS traffic path, source AWS interface type, source AWS ENI entity name, and also the application. Now this gets us started, but I want to focus specifically on NAT gateways, so I'm going to add a filter to include NAT gateway as the source interface type. So here the traffic path shows us how data moves through the network, while the source AWS interface type and the filter isolate traffic originating specifically from the NAT gateways. Now I want to know where this traffic is destined. So from dimensions, I'm going to add destination AWS gateway type, and that's going to show me the other NAT gateway, internet gateway, or an external endpoint that my traffic is headed to. I'm also going to add the gateway type and flow direction, which will tell me if the traffic is ingressing or egressing with respect to a particular ENI. And one more thing I'm going to add here is the source VPC name, so I can associate each of my VPCs with specific NAT gateways, and also the application, which is already selected, and that'll make it easier for me to figure out if this traffic is necessary or not. Now I can see if a NAT gateway that I'm paying for is underutilized or if unnecessary traffic is using it, also a waste of money. And now what we're doing here is pinpointing exactly what traffic is going over which NAT gateways and also assess traffic patterns that we may need to correct. Now, one last aspect of the platform that helps us understand traffic patterns is the compare over previous period feature. And that's an easy way to see how traffic during a particular snapshot in time compares over a previous time. And that way we can track increases or decreases in a very granular way, even drilling down into the individual flows if we need to. With Kentik, network and cloud engineers can identify cost-heavy NAT gateway usage, optimize traffic routing, and potentially explore more efficient alternatives. Visit kentik.com/cloud to learn more.